Welcome to Pydle Day 140. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is the Pepsi logo. So I've put the real Pepsi logo below. Let me know in the comments what you think of my impression of that. It's never going to be perfect with so few pixels, but it should be a fun one to solve. If you're new to Pydle or just want to watch a little bit of Python coding or get some tips, then stick around because I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a cute little locomotive. So let's try and solve that. The easy place to start is the bottom line, which is the wheels. So you say if y equals 4. Okay, let's first do the whites and the yellows. The whites are odd numbers. Odd numbers are always easy because we can just take the modulus of x divided by 2, which gives us the remainder. We don't need to test for 1 because the value 1 tests as true in Python. So we can just leave it like that, which is nice and compact. Else yellow. Okay, so let's run that. There's our wheels. Now there's a black small square emoji there, so which we need to go and fill in. So we can basically just do exactly the same we've got there, but just with the emojis. So we can say empty if x is odd, else, and I'm just going to see if I can find this. I've got the okay, so that's the black square emoji. Okay, so that's the wheels filled in. Now we're going to take the whole blue body, including the little window there, as one kind of block. So we can say aleph y greater than 0. So we've already colored in y equals 4. So if we say y greater than 0, we're going to cover this whole blue body area. Okay, and now we're going to have some conditionals in there. So we need mostly blue. So if you just did Pydle x comma y comma, then it would have colored the whole thing blue. So we still need to figure out how to do those, the window and that little gap there. Okay, so we can say white if y equals 1, else blue. Okay, so at least we're doing something different on that line. Now we can again say it's all the odd ones, so we can just copy exactly that test for oddness. Okay, so and x equals 2, x modulus 2 is odd, and there we've got the body. Okay, so now for the roof bit, and a little bit of smoke coming out of there. So we do aleph x less than 4. Okay, so where x equals 4, that's just a black pixel, and we don't have to worry about black pixels. Okay, so we do Pydle. There's no characters there. And now we can just say white if x equals 3, else red. Okay, so we just need to, of this 4 pixels, we only need to color 1 white, and we put the condition in for that, and the rest can be red. Okay, so that solves the Pydle for today. If you haven't done that yourself, then go and solve that. I'm sorry, that was yesterday's. You can always go back and solve previous day's Pydle, and always try and keep up by solving today's Pydle. So have a go at solving that, and I will see you again tomorrow with a solution.